What happens if gravity turns off for 1 second? Okay, picture this. You're sitting at your desk, sipping coffee, scrolling through cat videos, and suddenly the universe decides, you know what? Let's take gravity out for a test drive. Just 1 second. What's the worst that could happen? Spoiler, everything. At first, it sounds harmless, a single second. Blink and you miss it. But gravity isn't like Wi-Fi, where if it drops out for a moment, you just reconnect. Gravity is the thing that keeps the entire planet, oceans, buildings, people, and your breakfast burrito in one piece. Without it, the world gets weird very fast. So, second zero, gravity shuts off. Boom! You and your coffee mug are now astronauts. The mug tips over, coffee blobs float into the air, and you're right behind them, flailing like a confused goldfish. The cat, also airborne. The neighbor's cat, yep, midair. Basically, congratulations. Your living room is now the International Space Station, but with worse smells. Cars stop hugging the road and turn into low-budget hovercrafts. Airplanes in the sky? They suddenly forget how flying works because wings without air pressure are just awkward metal kites. Rivers bulge upwards, oceans rise into enormous domes of water, and for a brief, majestic moment, Earth looks like it's trying to cosplay as a water balloon. Then the second ends. Gravity comes back like it never left, and everything crashes down at once. You hit the floor, your coffee mug shatters, and the cat lands on you in revenge. Planes plummet, cars smash, and those majestic water domes collapse into tsunamis. Somewhere Poseidon is laughing, but the real fun is underground. Earth's crust, mantle, and core spent 1 second pretending they didn't know each other. And when gravity flips back on, they slam together like awkward dance partners. Cue worldwide earthquakes, volcanoes sneezing lava everywhere, and tectonic plates grinding like a DJ at a party no one wanted to attend. And don't forget the atmosphere. Without gravity, the air starts floating away into space. Not all of it, just enough to make your ears pop and your lungs panic. Then gravity yanks it back down like a kid dropping a basketball, and suddenly you've got hurricane-force winds blowing your neighbor's trampoline into your backyard. Meanwhile, up above, the moon gets confused. For 1 second, it's free from Earth's pull and just drifts sideways like, later, losers. It only shifts a little, but enough to mess up its orbit. Months later, tides go crazy, coastal cities flood, and everyone starts blaming the moon for mood swings. Satellites? Total disaster. Without gravity, every GPS, weather satellite, and communications device goes rogue. Space junk collides in the ultimate cosmic demolition derby. The International Space Station? Imagine throwing a house into a roller coaster. Astronauts would not be pleased. So in just 1 second of no gravity, we've got oceans doing backflips, buildings collapsing, planes dropping, earthquakes, tsunamis, hurricanes, broken satellites, and one very traumatized cat. Civilization? Pretty much toast. And here's the kicker. When gravity flicks back on, nobody even thanks it. We all just scream about the disasters. Poor gravity, underappreciated, overworked, and when it takes literally 1 second off, everyone loses their minds. So next time you complain about how heavy your backpack feels, remember, that's gravity doing you a favor. Because without it, you'd be floating toward the ceiling, spilling coffee on your cat, and waiting for the crash of a lifetime.